Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really important topic: how what we eat can play a huge role in our health, specifically when it comes to colon cancer. Now, it's crucial to remember that no single food can prevent cancer, but a balanced diet rich in certain nutrients can definitely help lower your risk. Think of it as building a stronger, more resilient body from the inside out. So, grab a notepad, because we're about to count down the top 10 foods you'll want to add to your grocery list to support a healthy colon. And just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes. Always chat with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have cruciferous vegetables. I'm talking about broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, and Brussels sprouts. These aren't just your average greens. They are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber, which is fantastic for keeping your digestive system regular. A healthy, moving digestive tract means less time for potential toxins to hang around in your colon. But the real magic lies in compounds called glucosinolates. When you chop or chew these veggies, these compounds break down into other active components, like sulforaphane, which studies suggest have powerful cancer-fighting properties. They can help protect your cells from damage and may even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. So, whether you steam them, roast them, or toss them in a salad, make sure to get your daily dose of these amazing veggies. Coming in at number 9 are berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, take your pick. These little jewels are bursting with flavor and, more importantly, antioxidants. Antioxidants are like your body's personal security team. They neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells, including the cells in your colon. This damage, called oxidative stress, is linked to an increased risk of cancer. Berries are particularly rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. But the star player here is a group of compounds called anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give berries their beautiful red, blue, and purple colors. And they've been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation and slow down cancer cell growth. Plus, they're a delicious source of fiber. A handful in your morning oatmeal or yogurt is an easy and tasty way to boost your colon health. At number 8, we have fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines. These fish are famous for being rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy polyunsaturated fat. Our bodies can't make these essential fats, so we have to get them from our diet. Why are they so good for your colon? Chronic. Inflammation is a major risk factor for colon cancer, and omega-3 South are renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. They can help cool down inflammation throughout your body, including in your digestive tract. Some research also suggests that omega-3 South might help slow the development of tumors. Aiming for 2 servings of fatty fish per week is a great goal. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also talk to your doctor about high-quality fish oil supplements. Next up, at number 7, are nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. Chia seeds, these are small but mighty when it comes to nutrition. They are a fantastic source of fiber, healthy fats, and a variety of protective compounds. Walnuts, for example, are another great source of omega-3 South. Flax seeds and chia seeds are packed with lignans and a special kind of soluble fiber that can help keep your gut healthy. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly being linked to a lower risk of colon cancer. A small handful of nuts as a snack or a tablespoon of seeds sprinkled on your salad can make a big difference. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as they are calorie-dense. Landing at number 6 on our list, garlic and onions. These flavorful alliums are staples in kitchens worldwide for a reason. They do more than just add a kick to your food. They contain powerful sulfur compounds that are released when they're chopped or crushed. These compounds, like allicin and garlic, have been studied for their potential to protect against cancer. They may help by detoxifying cancer-causing substances, preventing cancer cells from multiplying, and even encouraging them to self-destruct in a process called apoptosis. They also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The best part is how easy they are to incorporate into your diet. Add them to sauces, soups, stir-fries, and just about any savory dish you can think of. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have leafy greens. This includes spinach, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce. We already mentioned kale with the cruciferous veggies, but this broader category deserves its own spot. Leafy greens are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a critical role in DNA synthesis and repair. A healthy level of folate is thought to be protective against DNA changes that could lead to cancer. They're also rich in carotenoids like beta-carotene and lutein, which your body can convert to vitamin A and which act as antioxidants. So, building a big, colorful salad or adding a handful of spinach to your smoothie is an excellent strategy for colon health. At number 4, we find beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans. This entire family is a champion for colon health. Why? 3 main reasons. First, they are absolutely loaded with fiber. In fact, they're one of the best fiber sources you can find. This fiber helps bulk up your stool and keep things moving, reducing the time waste spends in your colon. Second, they contain resistant starch. This type of starch isn't digested in the small intestine. Instead, it travels to the colon, where it ferments and feeds your good gut bacteria. These bacteria then produce short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate, which is the primary fuel for your colon cells and has been shown to have protective, anti-inflammatory effects. Third, they're a great source of plant-based protein. Entering our top 3 at number 3 is turmeric. This golden spice, a key ingredient in curry, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a superstar when it comes to health benefits, and its anti-inflammatory properties are off the charts. As we've discussed, chronic inflammation is a key driver of colon cancer, and curcumin directly targets multiple inflammatory pathways in the body. Beyond that, lab studies have shown that curcumin can interfere with several stages of cancer development, from initiation to growth and spread. It's a potent antioxidant as well. To boost its absorption, it's a great idea to pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine. You can add it to curries, soups, golden milk lattes, or even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables. Our runner-up, at number 2, is whole grains. I'm talking about oats, quinoa, brown rice, barley, and bread made from 100% whole wheat. The key word here is whole. Unlike refined grains, where the bran and germ are stripped away, whole grains keep all their parts intact, which means they retain all their fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. The high fiber content is, once again, a major benefit for keeping your digestive system regular and healthy. But beyond fiber, whole grains contain a wealth of other protective compounds, including resistant starch, antioxidants, and phenols, which all work together to lower inflammation and protect the cells lining your colon. Swapping white bread for whole wheat and white rice for brown rice or quinoa is a simple but incredibly effective change you can make for your long-term health. And finally, the number 1 food you should be eating for a healthy colon is yogurt and other fermented foods. Think yogurt with live active cultures, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are the beneficial live bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is absolutely essential for your overall health, and especially for your colon. These good bacteria help digest food, produce essential vitamins, and most importantly, they help maintain the integrity of your intestinal lining, creating a strong barrier. They also help reduce inflammation and can crowd out harmful bacteria. When you're choosing yogurt, look for plain, unsweetened varieties with live and active cultures on the label to get the maximum benefit. So there you have it, TAR Top 10 Foods to help support a healthy colon and reduce your risk of colon cancer. Remember, it's not about focusing on just one food, but about building a dietary pattern rich in a variety of these nutrient-dense options. A colorful plate is a healthy plate. Combine this with regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding processed meats and excessive alcohol, and you're taking powerful steps to protect your health. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And do forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do miss our next video. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.